Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to scrape Twitter profile information about any sort of username without using Twitter API. So we will be doing this using Python script, and we will be using web scraping for this. So all the banner image that you can see here inside this is a banner image, this is the logo here, this is icon profile image, and this is the profile name. This is the biography, you can see short little description. This is the website, this is the location, this is website when they joined here, the following and the followers. All this information we will be scraping it, and we will be storing it inside CSV file inside the command line. So for this we don't need any sort of Twitter API. Twitter has its own API for this task, but we will be doing it for completely free using this Python script. And you can also fetch the number of tweets that they have made and also the number of posts. But in this tutorial I'll be only be showing you how to scrape the profile information of a Twitter user. So let me just show you a simple demo here. And you can see that we are storing this information in a CSV file. Let me just first of all delete this and start from scratch. So this is the script, guys. So the script is given in the video description. So if you want to get this script, you can go to the description of this video. So the blog post link is given, this coding Shiksha blog post link. So you can go to it, and step-by-step instruction is given. So this is a script here, simply copy to clipboard. So now let me show you what to do here. So simply you will run Python, the name of the script, which is app.py, and then you will say the username, Twitter username, whichever username that you want to get the information. The username is typically present here, right here, or it is also written here. This is the username of the Twitter user. So you will just copy it and paste it inside your command line like this. Paste it. After that you will write here -- browser. So which browser you want to use here for your web scraping kind of application. Either you can use Firefox or you can use Google Chrome. I will just write Firefox. So if I write this and if I run this command here, you will now see automatically this will fetch the profile information of that Twitter username, and then this will display this inside the command line as well. You will see that this is a JSON response which is returned to us. All this information is present: full name, banner image, profile link, account verified, birth date, location, website, biography, about us, followers, following, join date. So we are storing this. You can see that you can also open this in a CSV file in Microsoft Excel as well. So if you want to, if you have a software Microsoft Excel, you can open this right here. You can see that you can also open this inside here. So if you want to see the banner image, you can copy this link here. You will see this banner image is saved here. Let me paste the link. This is exactly, we are fetching this banner image, and the profile image also. This is a link of the profile image. So you can see that this is the profile image link. So all this information, guys, we will be storing it inside CSV file. So this is the application, we will be building it from scratch. So let's start building this application. So I will be writing this code from scratch. Let me just paste it here. So just delete all these files here, guys. So I will be showing it from scratch. So if you go to the video description link here, so first of all you need to make requirements.txt file. So this, just make this file here, requirement.txt, and here you will be seeing all the dependencies which are necessary for this project. Firstly, we are using Selenium library. It's a web scraping framework, also used for testing the applications as well. So if you just write Selenium, this is Python open source web scraping framework. So we are using this. And then we are also using fake headers and WebDriver manager. So now to install these, you need to write pip install -r requirement.txt. So this will install all these dependencies which are mentioned inside this text file. So after this, you can make your app.py file and then write this code which is present here. This is a lot of code. I will not be writing all this code, just the major important code I will explain you. For making the CSV file, we will need the CSV module, so we are importing it. Let me just copy paste all these once. So these are all the dependencies, guys, which is needed for this project, which is coming from Selenium root library. So we need to surround this using try catch block. So this is a very good practice whenever you are importing very large dependencies. If any sort of error take place, then we try except block here. So if any module is not found, then there is an error. You can show to the user something like please download dependencies. So this is a very good practice. Whenever you are importing any sort of module, try to just write that code in try except block. Or if any other exception take place, then we can have except exception as ex. You can print that exception. So after this, guys, we will make use of classes inside Python. You can also make classes as well. So we will make a Twitter class. So here we will be declaring a static method inside the class. So this method will initialize the driver. So here we will be expecting the browser name. Either it can be Google Chrome or Firefox. So inside this, we will have another function which will be setting the properties. So here you will pass the browser option. So this is nothing but it is setting up the browser options, guys. So let me paste this code. This is we are making this as headless so that this web scraping runs in the background. So this is meant by this headless. So we are disabling the extensions, we are opening the incognito mode, we are disabling the GPU log level 3. So all these properties we are setting it, disabling the notification and disabling pop-up blocking. And then let me just again paste this and explain to you what is happening. So here we are setting the browser, guys. Either Google Chrome is passed or Firefox is passed here. We are setting it inside again try catch block. We are first of all getting the browser name, whatever browser name the user has passed at the command line whenever you execute the script. So if the browser name is Chrome, then we are setting the Chrome options. If the browser name is Firefox, then we are setting the Firefox. We are installing the Selenium Firefox driver and or Chrome driver. If you know that in order to run these applications, you require WebDriver. So WebDriver is also present for Chrome and Firefox. So this is their official website. You can download the WebDrivers manually as well, but we are doing it as automatically inside if condition. So if it is the browser is Chrome, then we are downloading the Chrome driver. If the Firefox browser is Firefox, then we are downloading the Firefox driver. So then, guys, we will again, this is the second method inside this class, which is again be a static method. So this method will actually scrape. Here we will pass the username and the browser name. And inside this try catch block, guys, first of all we will open the URL. So the URL for scraping it just looks like this: twitter.com/ and then the placeholder text, and we will put the username. That's it. This is all. Now let me just paste it and explain to you. This is a lot of code, so I will not able to write this, and this will also waste your time as well. So let me just paste this whole script and then explain to you what is happening. So guys, you can see that inside this we are expecting the user to enter the username first of all, and then we are adding another argument for the browser. They can choose whichever browser they can choose, either they can use Chrome or Firefox. So here we are providing the input. And lastly, guys, we are also, you can see info.csv. We are having the full name, banner image, profile image. We are saving all this information in a CSV file. And now you can see that we are writing the row here, which is full name, banner image, profile image. All this information is stored here. Lastly, we are closing out the driver. We are quitting it like this. So this is the profile data which is returned as a JSON response. You will see that full name, banner image, profile image link, account verified, birth date, location, website, biography, followers, following, join date. So all this information is being scraped here. So without using any sort of third-party API or Twitter API, as you know that Twitter API has restrictions on how much calls that you make per day. But this is completely free and unlimited. You can just execute the script unlimited number of times for any kind of username if you want to get their information. So you can see that in web scraping we find out elements by XPath, tag name, classes, IDs, CSS selectors. All these methods we have used here. You will see that if you haven't had a lot of experience doing web scraping, this will be seeing pretty new to you. But if you have an idea of web scraping, you will find out that this script is not much difficult to write or understand. So now if I execute this, guys, let's suppose python app.py, and let's suppose I take a different username. Let's suppose I take here some other username here on Twitter which is present here, Joe Root. It's the English cricketer, you will see that. And this is the username of his, which is root66. And then we need to provide the browser here, which is I think, let me provide Chrome. This time I provide the Chrome browser. So once again it runs in the background. You can see that, guys. Now it will display this information in the command line. You will see the JSON response is returned to us: full name, Joe Root, banner image, cricketer. You can see that. So you can see that Joe Root, you can see that. So in this way, guys, you can target any username here. The username is typically present here in the URL, Jimmy Adams. You can see that. Just changing it to like this. So many developers or users were requesting this video, guys. I found out that no Twitter scraper was there. Twitter has blocked all the web scraping but this script was working in Python, in Selenium. So I decided to make this video and share this code with you. If you want to get this script, go to the video description link. This is full step-by-step instruction is given here. You will find out. Simply copy to clipboard, and then you can save this information inside CSV file. So if you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.